Namaskar. So we have already started a series of questions on wave equation. A separate playlist is there. Okay, wave equations in PDE. Okay, for examination point of view only for our upcoming CSIR NET exam. And you can see a question on the screen. This question was asked in June 2018. And in the previous lecture, we have discussed that how can we recognize the form of the given partial differential equation, and then by comparing it with the question, we just apply one formula and we will get our answer very easily. So let's go for this question. Okay. So first of all, you can see UB, the unique solution of what? This is the form del 2u minus del 2u by del t2 minus del 2u by del x2. ये तो इसी फॉर्म में है ना, utt is equals to uxx, और स्टैंडर्ड फॉर्म क्या था यहाँ पे ca स्क्वायर. सो वंस अगेन आपका c जो है यहाँ पे 1 है, isn't it? x belongs to r है ना. स्टैंडर्ड फॉर्म आपको मैं यहाँ पे दिखा दूं. You will see utt is equals to ca square uxx, x lies between minus infinity to plus infinity. So in the question also it is what? X belongs to r, means minus infinity to plus infinity. Thereafter you will see ux0 standard form में f of x होना मांगता. So you can see what? ux0 is equals to f of x. In the question it is also given f of x, but here they have done something interesting. Don't worry. Thereafter, in the theory portion, you can see what? Ut at x comma 0 is equals to gx. And you can also see the fact over here that it is what? Yes, del u by del t. This means what? Ut at x comma 0. And this is equals to 0 for all x belongs to r. Okay, so this is your ut x comma 0 is equals to gx. Okay, which is already given in the question as well. Okay, and your gx is 0. You are very fortunate है ना. gx अगर 0 होगा तो कैलकुलेशन बहुत आसान हो जाएगा. And yes, so we can easily recognize that the given question is completely based on this method, okay, which is called D'Alembert's form of wave equation in partial differential equation. And how its solution is given, you people should remember this form and its solution. Uxt is what? Half f of x plus ct and plus f of x minus ct and plus 1 by 2c integration from x minus ct to x plus ct g of zeta d zeta. Okay, so this is your solution. You must have to remember. All right. So yes. So now this is the question over here. You can easily see वही question है. But do you know what is the beauty of this question? Your fx is defined as x into 1 minus x for all x belongs to 0 to 1. Here your ux0 जो था वो fx के फॉर्म में ही गिवन था, लेकिन यहाँ पे fx पे कई तरह के खेल देखे जा रहे हैं. f of x is equals to x into x 1 minus x for all x belongs to 0 to 1 and f of x plus 1 is equals to f of x. Okay, so when we are going to use these two will be very interesting to see. But from the given data, let's put it into the formula uxt. Okay, हम इस सबको क्या करेंगे? uxt में पुट करने वाले हैं. uxt is what? 1 by 2 f of x plus t plus f of x minus t 1 by 2c integration from x minus ct to x plus ct g of s ds. This is what the formula says. Okay, in the formula here is zeta. Okay, and definite integration does not depend on this variable. It depends on this upper limit and lower limit from the properties of definite integration. So if somebody is writing anything over here, x, y, z, anything, then symbols are just symbols. So they have used s, so it's okay. Okay, but in the question, what is your gx? I have told you that your gx is 0. Isn't it? And certainly it will be helpful for the calculation purpose. So here your gx will be 0. So if your gx will be 0, then this whole term is going to become 0 and you will say thank you very much everyone. Okay, because your gx has become 0. Your c is 1 and gx is 0. Okay, so in place of c we will put what? 1. What is your c? You already know कि यहां पे क्या था कि this is what? You can write it as this. Okay, and यहाँ पे here your c is 1. So that's why in the formula also in place of c we will put 1, then it will become half f of x plus ct and plus half f of plus f of x minus t because c is 1. Okay, and ये वाला तो 0 ही हो जाएगा. All these terms are going to become 0. Okay, now in the question you had to find u of 1 by 2 comma 5 by 4. ये आपको find out करना था. You need to find this. But when you are going to finding it, then in place of x you will put half, in place of t you will put 5 by 4. So it will become 7 by 4. In place of x you will put half, in place of t you will put 5 by 4. So it will become f of minus 3 by 4. Okay. But you have to use the definition of this f. आपको इस f के definition का use करना है. And when you are going to get the output for this f, इस f के लिए आपको output मिलेगा. Your output will be x into 1 minus x. But only for this. Then how shall you find f of 7 by 4? Because 7 by 4 does not belongs to this 0 to 1. तो f of 7 by 4 कैसे निकालेंगे? So for that you need to use this one. F of x plus 1 is equals to f of x for all x belongs to R. So by using this we can say something interesting. For example, for any x belongs to R, f of 1 plus x, f of 1 plus x is equals to f of x. So now you can see the beauty. यहां पे जो 7 by 4 है, this 7 by 4 can be written as 1 plus 3 by 4. And from this f of x plus 1 is equals to f of x, we can write this as f of 3 by 4. And now this 3 by 4 has come in this interval. So you can easily get f of 3 by 4 as 3 by 4 into 1 minus 3 by 4. Isn't it? मतलब कि 7 by 4 पे आप f का वैल्यू डायरेक्ट नहीं बता सकते because 7 by 4 is out of this domain. But by using this second result, you can easily say that f of 7 by 4 is equals to f of 1 plus 3 by 4. Okay, and 1 plus 3 by 4 is equals to f of 3 by 4. Why? Because f of x plus 1 is equals to f of x. Alright, so this is your f of 3 by 4. Okay, and f of 3 by 4 can be calculated very easily. F of x is equals to x into 1 minus x if your x lies between 0 to 1. Alright, so this is how we are going to do the things. So here is what? You can see the same thing, isn't it? Similarly, f of minus 3 by 4, this was also out of this domain. But we can write f of x plus 1 is equals to f of x. This independency were given to us. So we can write this minus 3 by 4 as f of 1 plus minus 3 by 4. So it will become f of 1 by 4 which lies in this. And if your x lies in this interval, then how your fx were defined? F of x were what? X into 1 minus x if your x lies between 0 to 1. This is how the given f of x were there, isn't it? In the question you can see over here. Here it is given f of x is equals to x into 1 minus x for all x lies between 0 to 1. ये तो given था. So अब क्या करेंगे कि we will put all the values. F of x is equals to what? X into 1 minus x. So 3 by 4 into 1 minus 3 by 4 and plus 1 by 4 into 1 minus 1 by 3 by 4. Okay, so finally it will become what? 1 by 2. Okay, and thereafter what the thing is there? 3 by 4 and 1 minus 3 by 4 is 1 by 4 and plus 1 by 4 into 3 by 4. So finally it will become what? 3 by 16 and plus this will be what? 3 by 16 and into 1 by 2. So it will become 2 into 3 by 16 and into 1 by 2. So 1 by 2 to 1 by 2 cancel. You will get 3 by 16, which is what? Your final answer. Okay, so this was the second question in dalembert method in wave equation. Okay, So I will come up with the third one also. Check the playlist, and okay, we'll meet in the next video. Till then, take care. Bye bye. Thank you.